Before we can start syncing files, we must first install the FileSync integration app at both the source and destination system. In this example, we're going to install the FileSync integration app for Autodesk Docs. First, go to Autodesk Construction Cloud. Once logged in, go to Account Admin. Select Custom Integration. Click Add Custom Integration. Enter the client ID. This is available from our help page. Copy the client ID from the help page. Paste in the Add Custom Integration window. Enter the integration name and, if required, provide a description. Click Add, and the FileSync app has been added as a custom integration, which means we can start syncing data with this hub. For more information on adding the app for other platforms such as BIM 360, Procore, and SharePoint, please review the help file for FileSync.